Welcome to your midweek update with Tredomatix Daily Financial News. We've got the latest headlines and expert insights to keep you on top of market movements. Be sure to subscribe and explore more at Tredomatix.com for in-depth market breakdowns. And in stock market news, U.S. equities retreated yesterday as investors braced for the Federal Reserve's final policy announcement of the year. Retail sales in November surged by 0.7%, driven by robust vehicle purchases, showcasing the resilience of consumer spending. However, the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell for the 9th consecutive session, dropping 267 points. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also slid, with the Nasdaq hitting record highs earlier this week before pulling back. Investors are cautiously positioning themselves ahead of comments from Fed Chair Jerome Powell, which could shape expectations for 2025. And in Forex news, the dollar continues to dominate, reaching milestone highs against the Australian and New Zealand dollars. Asian markets reacted with mixed performance. Japan's Nikkei dipped slightly, but Nissan shares soared 22% on hopes of a potential consolidation with Honda. The U.S. Federal Reserve is widely expected to cut rates by 25 basis points later today, with traders anticipating guidance on future easing. Higher U.S. yields have also kept the euro under pressure, while sterling remains resilient, trading flat for the year. Across global markets, sentiment remains overwhelmingly optimistic, driven by strong U.S. equity outperformance. However, analysts warn that extreme valuations could shift the risk calculus. The S&P 500 has delivered stellar returns this year, but some experts caution that prolonged optimism could signal a correction on the horizon. Wall Street's share of global equity market cap is at an all-time high, raising questions about sustainability, especially as the global economic landscape evolves. Turning to energy markets, oil prices traded in a narrow range ahead of the Federal Reserve's decision. Brent crude edged up to $73.31 a barrel, while West Texas Intermediate rose slightly to $70.19. Sanctions on Russia's shadow fleet and a drop in U.S. crude stockpiles are contributing to price stability. However, investors remain cautious as policy uncertainty and global economic concerns loom large. And finally, in commodities, gold prices saw a modest increase, trading at $2,748 per ounce as investors await clarity on the Fed's 2025 rate trajectory. Lower rates tend to benefit gold, but mixed inflation readings and robust retail sales data suggest a cautious outlook for rate cuts next year. Silver and platinum saw minor fluctuations, while palladium recorded slight gains, reflecting the ongoing sensitivity of metals markets to macroeconomic developments. And that's a wrap for today's episode. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like button and share your thoughts below. Subscribe to stay connected with daily updates, and we'll be back tomorrow with more insights. Stay sharp.